Okay, so hi everyone. Hello. So this is basically me. I just found out that there's something called a JavaScript test or something like that on the internet, which actually a lot of people already gave, and it was kind of booming a year ago. But I just got to know now, and I'm going to do it at this point of time. I am going to try to explain things, probably if it is needed. I'm not expecting a lot hard stuff, but anyways, we will try to do it. Okay, we will try to do it. Let's do it. Okay, so I believe this is the website we were talking about. Let's just shift ourselves to dark. Okay, it looks horribly bad. So we are going to do these questions, maybe test ourselves a little so that things get a little better for ourselves. And after this, maybe if something is there that needs to be explained, I'll explain that. Okay, so the first question, do you know what will be the output of this code? So I see something console.log, it is JavaScript, console.log is supposed to be pretty common, and I see string.raw. Okay, so what is string.raw does? It basically prints everything that is there. This n thing, if you know how to code, you'll probably, so let me open this. So if you know how to code, you'll probably also know that, okay, so you'll probably also know that this n thing is basically end line, is a replacement of end line, which we almost use a lot of times in C++ code, or maybe sometimes in C code. Yeah, C code, in all sorts of code. This forward slash n is something that we use all the time, but in every languages, but it is basically kind of a replacement for what we said was endl. If we know what endl is, we write something like this. The code gets something like C out. We write something hello bhai, and then we do a end line, and this is what I'm talking about. End line actually makes the line end, otherwise things don't go well. So I'm guessing, it is not my guess actually, I believe the answer should be hello Twitter /n world, and we are correct with this one. If you need any more explanation, here it is. Just pause the video, see it. Okay, so the next question, it is kind of good. Okay, so do you know what will be the output of this code? Okay, 1 plus string 2 plus string 2, it is supposed to be 122. Again, string, if we know basic programming, then we will know that strings are put just side by side, and there's a 1, which just because there are two strings, it will be converted to a string as well. And so 1 2 2 will be the answer. Here is the explanation. If you want to read it, pause the video and read it. Thank you. And the second question, so I'm sorry, the third question, do you know what will the output of this code? So I see a const. Okay, so this is a constant, the numbers are there, it's an array over there. Okay, so numbers are sorted, and console.log number 1, so numbers 1, so 1 means basically what will be the second number of this, right? So what will be the second number of this? If I'm not wrong, I'm actually not wrong, it's the second number, because 0 1 2, that is how things are counted, right? So I believe, if I'm not wrong, 33 is supposed to be the middle number. 33 is supposed to be the middle number, and yeah, correct. So why is 33 supposed to be the middle number? It is quite very easy. Like, you can see this over here. Just pause the video if you want to read it. It's okay. It is quite a basic concept, I see. Okay, I think this is a good question. So do you know what will be the output of this code? Okay, so this is quite an interesting question for someone who is new to the field of computer science. So basically what it does is, when a number is starting with 0, 0, 1, 8, 0 something, 0, 1, 7, 0, 1, 6, it is supposed to be considered as an octal number. It is not considered as a decimal number, it is considered to be an octal number. Okay, so 0, 1, 8 and minus 0, 1, 5. Okay, so what we are supposed to do is 0, 1, 8. 0, 1, 8 can't be an octal number. That is, probably you can tell me, but Orco, 0, 1, 8 can't be an octal number. It is supposed to be a decimal number, right? Because octal numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, nothing more than that. If you're saying 8 is an octal number, 8 is part of the octal numbers, then you don't know anything, or you need to revise your things, right? No, I'm not saying that. So the thing is, here, this 8, it will be when you start a number with 0, 1, 8 or 0, 1, 9, and all of the digits don't constitute itself inside the octal number part, it basically gets converted into the decimal numbers. Okay, but here in case of this 015 will not be converted to 15. Okay, it will be converted to I believe 13, if I'm not wrong. 13, because 8 to the power 0, 015, 8 to the power 0 plus 5, and this will be 8 to the power 1 plus 8 to the power 1 and this thing, right? So 8 plus 5, it is supposed to be 15. I don't know, I just made it all, I just confused it up a little, I guess. For you, I understood it myself. So I think this is 13 and this will be converted automatically to 18. So 18 minus 13 is supposed to be 5. Okay, yeah, I see this 18 minus 13, so it actually became 13. Okay, so again, if you want to read this, pause the video and read it. Okay, so this video is not going to be very heavily edited or something like that. Why am I making this video? We will be making these videos, we will be making something like these videos. By the way, let's just continue with things. We can get talking a little later. Okay, so the next question. Oh, okay, this is fairly simple. This is supposed to be 0. Why 0? So the first thing is that true is true. Okay, so true, this thing true equal to, if there is nothing, it is supposed to be 0. Okay, if true is nothing, it is supposed to be 0, right? So we denoted it with like, we just assigned this value to here and we assign this value to here, and both of them come out to be 0. If you like basic computer science, again, basic computer science, if you understand this, good. If you don't understand this, actually you probably need to get your things a little, you probably need to revise your things. Okay, so that is the whole thing. Again, if you want to read this, pause the video. It is fairly simple, nothing like very hard over here. So the next question number 6. So do you know what will the output of this code? This is supposed to be false. Okay, so I'm not sure about this one. I'm not exactly sure about this one, but as far I know, in JavaScript or any other programming language, when you add something, when you add two numbers, there comes a dot 0 after probably 15 zeros or 20 zeros. There will be a 2, 3 or something like that. It never comes out as a perfect integer. So I believe this is supposed to give us a output of false. Okay, I see it. Yeah, I just told you, see, after a lot of zeros, it will come out like a 4 or 3 or 2 or something like that, which is never actually equal to 0. So again, if you want to read it, pause the video. I have probably said this a lot of times and I'm not going to repeat it. So the next question. So do you know what will the output of this code? We have an array 1 2 3. We have the sixth digit of the array, or we should say the sixth integer, or maybe the sixth indice of the array will be 9. Okay, so what do we have over here? This probably needs a bit explanation. Okay, we can have this one, but opacity should be increased. Okay, maybe, yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? We have 6, and then what we say, and okay, array 6 means we have 7, right? We have 7. It starts with 0, so we have 7. The thing is, we have 1 2 3. We only have 1 2 3 when we start. So here goes, okay, here goes 1. It is very small. Here goes 2, again it goes, oh, here it goes 3 over here. Wow. Oh, okay, I just confused it. Here goes 3, and then all of the numbers we have over here, nothing is there. Okay, so there is nothing, actually there is nothing. We just create something and we put nothing over there, and then we again put a 9 over here. Okay, I'm not writing it because it will take me some time. So the console.log of array 5, so array 5 is basically supposed to be this one, the sixth number. So of the array is number or string, it can be a string as well. So this is what, nothing is defined over here, right? So nothing is defined, so it is supposed to be undefined, and it is undefined. I just told you the same thing, and you can read it over here. You can just pause it and read it. I told you the thing over here, so you can read it. Do you know what will the output of this code? Okay, so this is a string, instance of string. Okay, I have never used something like an instance of, but I need to know this. I probably need to check this out. So I have never used something like an instance of, but I'm guessing it will be a true. Okay, it is a false. What is an instance of? So this actually returns false. Okay, the reason for that circumstance is that JavaScript distinguishes between primitives and objects. Okay, so and this is a string is actually a primitive string, okay, and not an instance of the object string. I get it. If the code was like this, new string within brackets, the thing, and instance of string, you would actually get the result that you have expected at the beginning. Okay, what instance of actually does is checking if the string constructor is nested within the okay. So basically we should have had something like this in the beginning, which would have made things which would have made it true. Otherwise it wouldn't have. Okay. Console.log, if we have something like this, okay, I get it. Maybe we could have put like a equal to new string within brackets this thing, and then we do a console.log a instance of string or something like that. I'm guessing it would have worked. I need to probably work on that. Okay, so console.log type of one, we will go from the right side. So type of one will be number, and type of number is a string. So console.log, it should be a string. Okay, I said it. It actually returns string. Type of one is a number, and number is actually a string, right? So this was fairly easy. And console.log 3 greater than 2 greater than 1. I have no idea about this, but JavaScript is not supposed to be this easy, so I'm guessing it is false. Okay, so okay, I get it. So basically this is going from right hand side to left hand side, and this says 3 greater than 2. Okay, and here it will come 1 over here, and then 1 is not greater than 1. That is the thing. Probably that is what is explained over here. If I'm not wrong, it gets evaluated, which will say true, exactly true when becomes a number is 1, and 1 is not greater than 1, so it will be false. Okay, so we have actually completed 10 questions. That was good. We have a score of 90%. That was good. So yeah, so that was actually good. And I guess we could have known that instance of thing. I never actually heard about it. So play again. I'm not playing it again, but anyways, so what is a type of nan? This is actually a good question. What is type of a nan? Nan is actually a number. If you don't know about it, it is a very classic thing actually. Nan is a number. You could have, I just opened the I button over here, so if you wanted to read it, you could have read it. So this thing again, this comes, and this will be false again. 33, that same question. This thing undefined, type of string. Okay, this is a new question. So console.log b plus a. Okay, b plus a, and then this is going to be to lowercase. Here nothing is said, so it will be not a number. nan. So ba nan aa to lowercase. It should be banana, but there are 2 a's, right? Or did I just misspell it? Did I misspell it? Nan or did I do it wrong? Nan a, but okay, acha, this goes plus this. Okay, so this goes plus the string, but it is not a string, but it is a string, not a number. So okay, this is the classic, that I plus and that minus I or plus I, which is called, I'm not sure. What is that called? What is that thing called? I'm not sure. I just forgot it. If you are watching this till now, maybe just hit the comment section and tell me what it is called. It is called maybe depreciation. Depreciation is minus that pre-depreciation or something like that. Not depreciation. I think I'm just missing the name. Okay, so it will be banana actually. Okay. So false equal to 0. This is true, right? So again we get this question. This is false, and we get this question again over here. Acha, what is this question actually? I didn't see the question. Oh, this is that zero wala question. Okay, that same question we did it. Oh, this was 13, right? So 5, and again we have 9. So whatever, we gave the quiz apparently 2 times, but anyways, so that was the whole motto of this video, that we give this quiz. And so let me know. I am actually making a video as well. I'll actually make a few videos as well. I don't know, I'm not planning to make things very super edited, like something text coming up from here, some image coming up from over there or something like that. I'm just trying to make things a little simple. uh, let's just make things in such a way that doesn't feed your I'm at this point, I'm just forgetting words that doesn't feed your attention span, right? So I don't want my videos to decrease your attention span. Already you are scrolling a lot of reels, right? So maybe keep things as natural as we can, so that it just benefits you out of the whole maybe a little attention span rise. We don't know. Okay, so this video was actually made on 24th of October, 5:24 p.m. at this point, and let's see when we will roll out this video. Probably 25th or probably tonight. I don't know. I am supposed to take some classes, but I thought this video will take me some time to actually film. But anyways, it didn't. It didn't apparently. So we rolling out this video tonight. I'm not sure. Let's see. Probably 8 p.m. Probably 7 p.m. Probably 6 p.m. I don't know if I get things little right. We'll do it. Okay, we'll do it. Bye for now, and bye. I'll see you all in the very next video. Okay, we have videos coming up. We do have videos coming up. Let's see how things goes. Again, not very super edited, nothing like that. Probably we will just roll out a video and it'll go on YouTube.